Sanibonani, molweni ninjani bethunana. We are back again. Welcome back to my channel. Ke namhlanje siphezulu kukaTirelo Nkosi yami, intombi kaSibindi. Bambiza ngoSibindi, bathi isibindi siyabulala siphinde sikuphilise njalo. Hayi, uyibhalile ke inkondlo uMadam Sibindi. Wayibhala inkondlo Nkosi yami, inkondlo that is so heartfelt. Wathi, do not call me strong because kuningi Nkosi yami, I have forgiven. Like ukhulume nje ngento eyiningi. Let me read it out for you. Uthi, don't call me strong. Stop praising my strength. I've been fighting and forgiving for so long. It's exhausting. Ukhathele, not empowering. Uyasho ke na uTirelo athi, guys, this might seem like, oh gosh, I am strong. Obviously, when she's saying Bana, she's been forgiving a lot. Kusho khona ukubana hayi, she's been forgiving uSibindi for yonke lento ayenzayo, and hayi ke kaloko she's had enough of it. Uze wayibhalela ke yena inkondlo ende kabi, watsho wathi, yo guys, it's exhausting. Like, I've been through back and forth with forgiving people and people that are breaking me. Obviously kukhulunywa ngompumelelo kena, njengoba nonke besenivile ukubana hayi, umpumelelo sekalitholile letshitshe bekalishilo ukubana when he marries a first wife, loyo mfazi wakhe wokuqala azomtshata, it needs to be a virgin, intombi nto. So rumor has it ukubana hayi, intombi nto ifumanekile, and apparently he paid lobola for her, for the virgin girlfriend, and rumor has it ukubana, and then ke he might have felt pressured, so he had to pay ilobola for uTirelo as well. But rumor has it ukubana no, bekuyi lobola letshitshe that was paid first, as he had said ukubana this is what he wants for himself and this is what he's going to do, and he has done it again. Hayi, siyabona ke season 3 where ingane zesithembu ifikile, and nje hayi, it is hot and happening nje. Uyazitshelo nje uSibindi athi hayi, uSibindi yena, bathi isibindi siyabulala siphinde siphilise kaloko. Bana hayi, I'm going to do whatever it takes to make me happy. So hi guys, what do you guys think of lento yendiwe ngumpumelelo ukubana, because that was the reason uVuyokazi left ukubana, I am your first girlfriend and I've had 2 kids with you. Njani kaloko that you turn around and say ukubana you want to bring someone else in, nakhona uchate yena, pay lobola for them before ukhokhela mna ilobolo. So uVuyokazi left ke yena wayiqoqa into zakhe. uVuyokazi was like, I'm out of this, and yes, we've seen ukubana uVuyokazi wazifumanela umuntu wakhe, got lobolad, and waze wayethenga nomzimba omtsha eTurkey. She's just busy nje ngempilo yakhe. Everything seems to be going so well, and she doesn't have to stress yourself about fighting. Cabanga nje nakhona, there's all still girlfriends, there's still baby mamas that you still have to start fighting now, because we saw on season 2 bana the fight between uTirelo and uVuyokazi were so hectic, like kufuna nje nokubanjana ngezandla ukubana hayi no. So uTirelo that time, she seems like she had power over uMpumelelo and uVuyokazi, and she was going on very strong. So I guess she thought ukubana when uVuyokazi leaves, so she will be crowned as the first wife. Kanti hayi, it does not work like that kumenyu kaSibindi. When uSibindi says ukubana I am going to do this, he definitely did what he wanted to do. So let me know, what do you guys think? Nayi inkondlo ikhona yonke la, ke nizibonele ninodwa ukubana inkondlo bani ebibhalwe ngu-Austirelo atsho ke nokubana don't call me strong. Ukubana I am tolerating all of this does not mean ukubana I am strong. So those who would like to see, you can go to her Instagram page where she put the poem ukubana hayi. So abantu nabo bayakhomenta phaa bathi hayi ntombi, kuthiwe ukubana hamba juba bayocutha phambili. Sebekucutha ngoko sulila. Like, why you crying? Because you knew from day one ukubana this is what was going to happen. Because umntu vele if azocala nisaseniyintombi already sekanibhanqa nje, because there was uVuyokazi and uTirelo and already babesesithenjini basasemjolweni. So iyatsho ke inkondlo uthi stop praising my strength. I've been fighting and forgiving for so long. It's exhausting, not empowering. I've defended and stood alongside the very same people who have broken me. My loyalty at times has felt like the punchline. You may see someone resilient, brave even, but you don't know how afraid I've been, how alone I've felt. If there was a warrior, yeah, Shokbana, I shock in ways that are far from heroic. I'm torn in two. The half of me that's proud fights for things the other half believes makes me a fool. It's so hard to stay, yet I don't want to leave. Guys, let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.